know what? She'll be on my mind. Let's go fishing down at the fishing hole. Come on, y'all help me sing it. Some of y'all know the words. Come on. Let's go fishing, baby. Let's go fishing, baby. Let's go fishing, baby. Let's go fishing, baby. Let's go fishing down at the fishing hole. Oh, fancy, fancy, take me fishing, baby. Bring Freddie with you, girl. Once again, Mr. Southside Alex. I'll make sure my line is tight so we can fish with your pole, Jesse. Oh, the water is nice and warm, so when they get hooked, I can feel them squirm. Let's go fishing down at the fishing hole. Come on, help me sing it. Here we go. Let's go fishing, baby. Let's go fishing, baby. Let's go fishing, baby. Let's go fishing, baby. Let's go fishing down at the fishing hole. Play your horn one more time. Rebecca! For the people, man. Don't play for the people. Bring it down, bring it down. It ain't over. It ain't over. You wave your hand. I want you to go out there and serenade somebody. You thought it was over. You had your eyes closed. Don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about.
I didn't hear that because I was so concentrated. Now I hear. Let's go down there!
That's what she said. Come on down here, baby. Yeah. Blow your horn, blow your horn. Let's go fishing, baby. Let's go fishing, baby. Hey, Santa's in the house. Let's go fishing, baby. Let's go fishing down at the fishing hole. Come on, Santa. Shake it one time. Yeah, give it up for the band.